Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is an update um, vlogging series. As you can see, the back's a mess due to the fact that I'm almost done with freaking painting Christmas decorations. You see, and we have Megatron right here, and he's freaking huge. I can't find his head still. But if you do enjoy the video, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord down the link below, and our secondary channel as well. Um, Sorry there was no video for Tuesdays and Thursdays. It's been very sporadic, but I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. Um, so far we have Big Megatron. Then we'll do Android no and 2B Luda version of 2B. Then we're gonna be doing terrain builds. We'll be doing a lot of terrain builds due to the fact that a lot of what you call prints they do fail, and due to the cold weather that we're dealing with right now because it's close to winter, uh, 3D resin printer doesn't do well with cold atmosphere and stuff like that. So we got to up the what you call it curing process for the when you're printing the 3D printer. So we have a lot of failed prints. And with these failed prints, we are going to build terrains with it. And I have a lot of foam that I need to cut that I got by Mod Podge. And we'll be making them into terrain pieces for Warhammer 40k and for D&D as well. We got a lot of failed Iron Crab apparatus for D&D. We got some failed like terrain pieces from Android 18 and also from Megatron as well, the gun version base, that we are going to be basing it and fixing it up, looking all grungy and damaged, and basically rock pebbles and weathering the crap out of it. We're gonna do so many batches of it because I have so many failed prints over the past few years that I just made a big pile of it, and we are going to do a lot of terrain building for it, and it is a waste just to throw them all out because this is for example, this is good for the I would say a statue. I would like cut this part off and basically use a belt sander and sand all the building and stuff like that off and just make it look like a woman's leg, part of a statue, bronze it, then weather it out, and put a bunch of rocks and moss around it to make it more like it's a part of a statue that's been destroyed. So we'll be doing a lot of that. Hopefully hopefully about mid of December. I don't know how fast I'm going to be painting because so far the next shorts after Megatron and I gotta print some more stuff out that I am not gonna paint the stuff that I'm getting my friends. I'm actually just gonna spray paint it silver or gold because it is a lot of work just to paint figures. And I have a D&D campaign coming up in February that I have to print orcs and goblins, bugbears, and hobgoblins. So we gotta get that, and I also gotta design some goblin encampment, orc encampment, stuff like that, with toothpicks and foams and a couple 3D prints as well, just to get that going for the campaign for the starting level 1. Even though I'm be DMing once a month, still as a DM, there is a lot of work. You got to get stuff done for that as well. Christmas is around the corner, um, and this is almost the end of the year uh, for 2023. Hopefully, we'll do some Christmas special paintings. I might print some Christmas stuff, monsters. I don't know. I did Krampus last year. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing this year for the shorts for Christmas around it. But if you have any idea, please let me know. But other than that, Next year is going to be a whole bunch of painting of stuff that I already printed. A lot of the old 70s, 80s, and 90s D&D miniatures that needs to be done. I'll be redoing the old office into a storage room for figures. So there's gonna be a lot of shorts video for those, and I have a lot of videos that is pretty much gonna be done, scheduled all the way to February. So I have plenty of time and leeway just to get stuff done. For it, I might cut down on some of the Warhammer 40K a bit due to the fact that I have so much D&D miniatures that needs to be painted. But I'm throwing away a lot of the green resin. It's just over the years, the green resin wasn't that great for Mini-Cubic. I've been using the Sunlu one. It's cheaper, but a lot more sturdier, in my opinion. And I'm also going to be saving my money for a 16.9-inch 12K SL resin printer. Hopefully next year we'll have a 20-inch. If a 20-inch comes out, I will definitely will buy a 20-inch. You know, just to print terrains and bigger monsters. I do want to build a full-size figurine if I can. That will be one of the dreams that I would love to have. I'm going to try to beat Persona 5 this week or two. I did not have time to actually play much of it due to the fact that I had to get a lot of the stuff done in the first week of December, wrap it up, package it, and send it to friends and family. So once the first week of December is done, then we will start going back to normalcy. The week of Christmas will be kind of iffy with scheduling as well. I have a childhood friend that is going to be coming over to visit, and I have another friend coming from Naval Base to spend Christmas with us for a few days. So I might just do just put shorts throughout that whole video. I don't know what we're gonna do, or we're gonna live stream on the phone and say hi to everyone on the channel. But anyhow, if you guys want to talk to me and get in touch with me, there's a Discord link down in the link down below, the tree link for it. That's the best way to contact me, to talk to me about art and other types of things. Please help out the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Yeah, this is going to take about more than 3 to 4 days to paint, even though it's like I try to make it just, instead of different shades of gray, I want to make it popping for my dad. This is for my dad over here. But anyhow, have a great day, and I hope you guys have a great holiday. See you guys next week. Have a great day. Bye.